The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. So let me start with some shortcut keys. So കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നമ്മൾ 3 shortcut keys പഠിച്ചു, right? MS Word. So today we are going to see the alignments. I think you all know about what is an alignment, right? Justified, right alignment and left alignment. So let's see some shortcut keys for justified. Okay, for paragraph justifying we use Control plus J. Okay, for left alignment we use Control plus L. And for the right alignment we use Control plus R. Yes? Okay. So in the previous session we have discussed about the clip art and how to insert a picture in a document. Right? So what do you mean by clip art? It's a ready-made pictures. Right? Yes. So in this class we are going to discuss about how to edit a picture. So you know some editing process about the pictures, right? We will give some colors to the pictures, then we will include some effects to the pictures, right? So likewise we can also add some editing works in the documents. Yes? So let's see how to crop a picture. Right? What do you mean by cropping? We can avoid the unwanted backgrounds of the picture. Right? So let's see how to crop a picture in Word. So here you can see a picture, right? We are going to crop the picture. Okay, we are going to crop the unwanted portions of a picture. Right? So go and click on Format tab. Here you can see the crop option. Right? Click on crop. Yes? So you can see the black angles here. Right? So by clicking here, drag it. So see, നമുക്ക് ഏത് പോർഷൻ ആണോ അഡ്ജസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. ഇപ്പൊ എനിക്ക് ഈ 2 പെൻക്വീൻ മാത്രം മതി എന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ജസ്റ്റ് ഡ്രാഗിങ് ദി മൗസ് പോയിന്റർ. ഓക്കെ, then see we can crop the picture. ഓക്കെ, ഇത് നമ്മൾ മുമ്പ് കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവും അല്ലെ, വാട്സ്ആപ്പ് DPസിലൊക്കെ കറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ യൂസ് ചെയ്യാറുണ്ട്. Right, we can adjust the pictures. We can avoid all the unwanted portions of the picture. Right? Yes. Then now we can give some colors to the pictures. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് UCam ഒക്കെ യൂസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടാവും അല്ലേ. So there are some effects, right? Different ആയിട്ട് colors ഒക്കെ യൂസ് ചെയ്യാം. So likewise we can give different colors to the pictures. Okay, for that go and click on the picture, click on Format tab. So here you can see the option color, right? So click on color. So you can select any different colors. If black and white are vendendengil, you can click on black and white. Otherwise, you can give any different colors to the picture. Okay. Then in the previous class we have already studied about some picture styles. അല്ലേ, നമുക്ക് different borders ഒക്കെ കൊടുക്കാം. ഇതിപ്പോ നീറ്റ് ആയിട്ടുണ്ടാവും ഇല്ല. Right, so we can give some borders to the pictures. Okay, so here we can see the borders. So you can select the different effects to the pictures by selecting any different styles. Yes? So now we are going to see some effects in the pictures. Okay, നമുക്ക് 3D effects ഒക്കെ കൊടുക്കാം അല്ലേ, നമ്മുടെ പിക്ചേഴ്സിനൊക്കെ 3D effects ഒക്കെ കൊടുക്കുന്നത് കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവും, right? So we can also give some effects to the pictures. Okay, so let's see how to give an effects to a picture. Okay, so we can give 3D effects, reflections, etc. So let's see. For that, you can select the picture, then go and click on Format tab. Okay, here you can see the option Picture Effects. Right, click on it. So you can see the different options available. We can take 3D rotations. Okay, so 3D rotations നമുക്ക് ഈ pictures കിട്ടും. So ഇതിൽ കുറേ options ഉണ്ട്. Can you see the change? നമ്മൾ ഓരോ options എടുക്കുമ്പോഴും അത് ചേഞ്ച് ആയിട്ട് തന്നെ വന്നുകൊണ്ടേയിരിക്കും. Right? So we can take this. Okay, so കുറച്ച് effects വന്നു, right? 3D effects ആയിട്ട് വന്നു. Then we can also take different other effects. Okay, glow and reflections. If you click on reflections, കണ്ടോ ഇതിന്റെ പിക്ചറിന്റെ റിഫ്ലക്ഷൻസ് ആയിട്ട് വരുന്നുണ്ട്. Clear? So I hope you got an idea how to edit a picture, right? So if you have a system, you can try it out. If you have your own picture, you can edit. Yes, okay. So now we can do an activity. Take page number 50. Okay, so you can try it out. And if you have any doubt, please contact me. See you in the next session.